today we have two documents that have been exported out of Canva that we are going to make accessible using Abbyy and Adobe Acrobat. The first thing I'm going to do is launch Abbyy FineReader 15, and then I'm going to select Open in Ocr Editor. This is going to bring up my File Explorer window. I have my two documents that are ready to be converted. I'm going to select both files and select Open. And this is going to be working on two files at the same time. Alright, both files are in Abbyy. Now I'm going to perform English recognition. And we are going to go through the image panel here and clean up some of the content. I'm going to change this logo from a text field to an image, and then this one in the bottom left corner I'm also going to change to an image, because these are logos, and the text appears to have come through perfectly. So let's move to page 2. We're just validating that our text panel matches our image panel and that there's no funny business going on. We have a couple of decorative images that I'm going to delete, and then because we already have tagged these images in the bottom, I'm going to delete them off of the second page. And then we're doing a similar thing here. I'm going to change this zone to a picture. I'm going to expand the box so it's a single zone. And let's zone both of these as images. Out my decorative images and the duplication. I'm going to select the Recognize All Pages button one more time to make sure all of my changes have gone through. Alright, and everything is looking pretty good. The next step is we are going to export these files out. And now we can review each one. So I have two documents, and now we're going to take a look at the tags panel and update the alternate text for this logo. And we're going to walk the tags panel. So our H1 is there, our list is there, we have an H2 followed by a couple other logos. We're just going to update the alt text on these. That, and then we're gonna just review that the tags are looking good in the file. So far so good. Updating a heading, and then some footer content that I'm just updating, and this document looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and save it, and then let's take a look at the metadata. Alright, we can leave that for now. Alright, let's go to our other file. I'm going to check our tags panel. We again have a few more images that need alt text. And we need to update our tags. So I just changed this from a paragraph tag to a heading 1. We have a list item. Change that to an H2. A couple more images needing alt text. Another image requiring alt text. And then we're going to update the tags on page 2. I don't like to have multiple H1s, so I'm going to keep a couple of H2s in here. Again, I'm just updating the tags. Now let's go ahead and run the accessibility checker on this just to validate our work. And we have a document with no issues. So you just learned how to convert 2 files using Abbyy FineReader and then make them accessible in Adobe Acrobat. Thank you for watching.